Okay, hello everyone. This video is going to be pretty short since it's basically rating all the BRB Algerins. But I hope you enjoy it regardless. Zero. Uh, he's literally just the operating teardrop. Bad. I'd like 8, so he's going in normal. 2. No, he's going in good. You're going in bad. Don't mind me, I'm just watching Teapot, so that's your the background noises. I'm kind of neutral about 5. We all know I'm putting 4. 9. Honestly, I really like 9 a lot, so I'm putting him in great. 1. Barely even made an appearance. Bad. 7. I think 7's great. I really like her. I'm gonna put you in good. 6. You, okay. You're going in. You're going in. Okay, you're going in bad. Alright. These two are the best outs. Changed my mind. But thanks for watching.